Are you ready for a swanky and comfortable life in Leeds? Say hello to the Oxley Residence, the top pick for young scholars. With a variety of cluster and en-suite rooms to choose from, you'll be living your best life in no time. Wake up each morning to a sun-kissed room equipped with large windows, cozy beds, and a private study desk with plenty of handy overhead shelves to hold all your essentials. When it's time to hit the books, head to the study room and let the creativity flow. Need to let off some steam? Check out the games room and let the good times roll. And when you're ready to unwind, head to the outdoor courtyard or the cozy common room with a hot cup of coffee. Located on Weetwood Lane, you'll be just a short drive away from Leeds Beckett University and the University of Leeds, giving you the best of the university experience. And when you're ready to indulge in some delicious Mediterranean fare, head to Levanta Bar and Grill. And finish off your weekend at Woody's Craft Ale House. With so many amazing restaurants, cafes, and clubs nearby, you'll never run out of places to discover. Experience the grandest and most luxurious life at the Oxley Residence. Book your heavenly abode only on amberstudent.com.